Now let's take a look at our Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curves. So these graphs plot kinetic energy against the number of particles with kinetic energy, and the area under the graph indicates the total number of particles. And you can see there in red we have the particles with sufficient kinetic energy for effective collisions to take place. So what happens if we increase temperature? Well, you can see here that T2 is greater than T1, so temperature 2 is higher. And if we look at our activation energy, we can see here that more particles are going to have sufficient kinetic energy, which means that there is going to be an increased rate of reaction because more effective collisions. And what happens if we increase the concentration? You can see here that concentration 2 is greater than concentration 1. And again, if we look at our graph, our shaded blue part shows that more particles are going to have sufficient kinetic energy for effective collisions to take place, and this increases our rate of reaction. And what might happen if we add a catalyst? Well, we know that catalysts decrease our activation energy. So now our activation energy is going to be somewhere there, like in green as indicated. And you can see the area under the curve now increases. So we're going to have more particles with sufficient kinetic energy to perform an effective collision, which means the rate of the reaction increases.